Hi, my name is Heidi Schmidt, and I'm a therapist with the University Counseling Service at the University of Iowa. Today we're going to be talking about mindfulness, distress tolerance, and self-soothing. So, what is mindfulness? Mindfulness is simply to be present. It's to be present in the current moment, not judging, just acknowledging and sitting with your current emotions. You can utilize mindfulness in many parts of your daily life, such as exercise, listening to music, walking. Mindfulness is a practice that anyone can incorporate into their daily lives, and it can be really relaxing and soothing. It's a good way to manage stress and any strong or distressing emotions that you may have. So, what is distress tolerance and self soothing? Distress tolerance is the idea that we all have we all have overwhelming emotions, and we need to be able to cope, to manage them in a healthy way, an effective way for us. Self soothing is one such way that we can manage or cope with our emotions. Self soothing is using your five senses, so your hearing, your sight, taste, touch, smell, and even movement, to soothe or to calm our bodies. It's similar to an infant who is crying and uses a pacifier or sucks their thumb to calm themselves down. So now let's talk about some specific types of self-soothing. Looking at our five senses, so specifically looking at taste, that's a good time to drink some tea, drink something that's warm or cold. Touch, find out some comfy blanket or some pajamas, something that's going to be really comfy for you. Smell, it's a good time to get out the lotion or some candles or some oil. Um, Sound, music. Get the headphones out, listen to music that's going to bring forth feelings of soothing, relaxation. Sight. Look at pictures that are going to bring forth some happy memories. It's a good time to do an art project. Color, do something creative, write. Movement, that's a really great way just to get your body moving. Go for a walk, stretch, do some yoga. Remembering with any of these activities, you want to be as mindful as you can. Be aware, be present in the moment, focusing on what you're doing just in that one moment. So let's talk about how you can create your own self-soothing kit, your own coping skills kit. And really, you can put anything in this kit that's going to be self-soothing from you. We have the examples from before, and just keep in mind it's using your senses. I'll show you briefly what I have in my kit. I always keep good smelling lotion. This really uses your smell and your touch and movement. I usually have a mint or some kind of a cough drop to suck on. Usually headphones so I can listen to some really happy or pleasing music. A lot of times it's Disney music. I try to keep some little snack in there. So this is some peanut butter that I can just suck on and kind of think about just happy memories, things that are going to be relaxing or calming for me. And then just something that I can look at that's happy, whether it's a photo or this is a little magnet that I got for my backpack from Active Minds, and it says laugh more. Just things that are going to make you overall feel good, relaxed, happy. And then the final thing that I always try to keep with me and keep in mind that is self-soothing is simply drinking cold water. A lot of times when we get anxious or upset, we notice our face is getting warm or our heart is racing. Try drinking some water and simply calming yourself down. So spend some time, make your own kit, think about what is going to be soothing for you, and then put it somewhere that you're going to be able to easily access it. All right, so as we're wrapping up, I want to thank everybody for joining me today. I hope you learned a little bit about mindfulness, distress tolerance, and self-soothing. Everyone have a great day, and please be well.